to calculate the area of trapezium, so in this example, we have to determine which one is the base 1, the base 2, and the height. So before that, let's write down first the formula to find the area of trapezium, where A is equal to base 1 plus base 2 divided by 2, and then multiply the whole by the height. So after that, let's substitute the formula by the given number. So A is equal to, let's take base 1 is 4 plus base 2 is 6 divided by 2, and the height is 3 cm. And then after that, let's simplify it. 4 plus 6 is equal to 10 over 2 times 3. And 10 divided by 2 is 5. Then multiply it by 3. So 5 times 3 is equal to 15 cm square. Since we are looking for area, so it's cm square. So the area of this trapezium is 15 cm square. That's all.